I'm going to cook my lima bean now. I turn on my flame. And next I'm going to add my seasoning. Because I have already washed and cooked my lima bean already at that time. So I'm going to just add everything into the pot. So as I add my seasoning to the pot, next I'm going to add my carrots to it. Then I'm gonna add my lima bean also. As I said, that's cooked already, so I'm gonna put everything into the pan. And I'm also going to add some okra. Next, I'm going to add a tip of coconut cream. And some ketchup. Next, I'm going to add some water. As I'm cooking a lima bean stew. So as I add everything to my pot, all the seasoning, vegetables. So next I'm going to put in the spice in it. And to put all the spice to my beans. So a tip of garlic powder, a tip of paprika, and a tip of cayenne pepper. And I'm also going to put a tip of Maggi seasoning, which is very flavorful in your food. I'm not going to add any salt because I have salt. This is salt. I'm salting the rest of the spice. So I'm going to cover my pot and let all these spices and vegetables cook down into a stew. Okra, very healthy beans, very healthy bean stew I'm cooking today. Just have a lot of color, a lot of protein and vitamin. So this bean. So I'm going to cover my pot and allow all these vegetables and spices to cook down into a stew. pan down. And this is my stew. It is ready. My lima bean stew, also known as butter bean, is finished and ready. Lima bean with lots of vegetable, carrot, okra. This is my stew with this. It's a nice stew, nice vegetable stew. It's a lot of protein and vitamin in it. Vegetable. So I'm going to add some freshly cut parsley to my stew. Thanks for watching. Please could like, share and subscribe. Finish this up my lima bean stew.